Alright, I'm going to try Sri Lankan hopper. I have tried hoppers before in Canberra, but not really the equivalent of a Sri Lankan hopper, I don't think.
He will show you how to do the first one.
Yeah.
Have a look, then you have to follow the same procedure.
Oh, okay. I really got to watch this if I'm going first.
Take a half spoon and put into the middle, and you will make it round 360. And the middle you will keep little bit, and then keep it for the meat. So this is the second one. Now your turn.
My turn?
Yes.
Alright, my turn, guys. Okay, about that much?
Okay. No, wait. Now do it.
Keep swirling.
Yes. And okay.
I need more, I think.
Yeah. No. Just keep it. Oh, come on.
Well, I don't think that's going to be a very good hopper. That was not very good. Poor technique.
So, yes.
Oh, it's actually not too bad,
Just
guys.
like
It's not as bad as I was expecting.
Stingray.
A stingray?
Yeah.
Just like a bull.
And who is next? Can go?
Pumpkin.
And this other two is a little bit.
Do you add in the middle? Do you add in the middle of it?
Oh yeah. Oh, otherwise you put it into the side, and you can just
like
have
dip
it. Yes.
Alright.
This is roti, right?
Ah, roti. Yes. Perfect. Alright, thank you. So I'm being told that I can grab some of this stuff to dip with my hopper. I thought hoppers had like egg in the middle of them, but maybe I am wrong about that. What's this one?
This is spicy chili. This we call a little more spicy, right?
Sri Lankan spice?
Yes, Sri Lankan spice.
Alright, I'll give it a go. I've got some spicy, Sri Lankan spicy. Try with my hopper.
Oh,
Man, I love hoppers, they're so good. Okay, now we're seeing how egg hoppers are made.
Egg copper.
Oh, wow.
Egg copper. Yeah.
Okay, we're watching how hoppers are made. First, he gets the mixture, pours it into the pan, and then he will swivel the pan around, just like that. Then what he does is he'll get an egg to crack it in the middle. The egg will like cook for a little bit, and then once the egg's cooked, he will add some peppers, and that's how you get the delicious Sri Lankan hopper. Thank you.
I'm looking after you.
Thank you. Imagine. Time to try the hopper. Very excited for this. How I got told to eat it is you break off the side and dip it in the egg.
What's the review?
Beautiful. It's amazing.
Do you have that one with sauce or not?
Well, I don't know. Yeah, this is how I've been taught to like eat it, but yeah, by a Sri Lankan friend.
Fair enough, fair enough.
But she is very Australianised. So good.